This is my third time filming this, and I think I'm going to go absolutely insane if it does not work the third time. Hi everybody, welcome to, if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a Glossier review. I just got my package in the mail today and I decided to show you guys my overall thoughts on it. So starting with the Glossier skin tint, I got the shade G11. I did end up applying it with my fingers because that's what was recommended on the bottle. I really like how it is a very easy product to blend in. I'm in love with the overall finish of the product itself. It's very dewy, very nice. Again, it doesn't have much coverage. It is very sheer. If you do have acne, this might be a cause of concern, but again, you can build it up with the stretch concealer. I have the Glossier stretch concealer in the shade G11 as well. I love this concealer. I love that it comes in a little pot, and again, I used my fingers to blend this out because that's what was recommended and is the best way to use these products. This product is very buildable and you can add multiple layers to it. I did add about 2 to 3 layers to my acne and it did cover it up. So overall, for both the skin tint and the stretch concealer, I give it a 10 out of 10, and I will be definitely using these in my everyday makeup look. Moving on to the Glossier Cloud Paint. First glance, I was really shocked how tiny these were because I thought they would be much bigger, because on other videos and pictures I've seen, they all look so much bigger, but they're actually kind of small. So the two shades that I got are Dawn and Beam. Dawn is a more of a coral color, while Beam is a more of a peachy shade. I did end up applying Dawn first, and I applied a bit too much. I ended up looking like a clown, but nonetheless, I took my beauty blender and I blended it out, and that helped it. I also applied Beam, just the apple of my cheeks, and ended up blending them in together. Overall, 10 out of 10 for the blendability on both of these, but personally, for color choice, I like Beam more, so I'm going to give Beam 10 out of 10 for the color and Dawn 7 out of 10. Next product I got was the Glossier Pro Tip Eyeliner. This one I really liked, but it did not wow me. The only con this product has is that the black isn't as intense as you would expect. I expected this to be anywhere near the Kat Von D or Stila eyeliner. It is not. It is very subtly black. I do love the micro tip that it has. It is very easy and flexible to apply eyeliner with. So overall, I give this product an 8 out of 10. Last eye product I got was the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. This product I give a 10 out of 10. I love the wand, and of course the packaging is really cute. It adds extra points. Now this mascara isn't volumizing or thickening, it is a lengthening mascara. And I have naturally long eyelashes, so I love to extend them. So this product really did that. It gave me length in them and I love it. It's not clumpy at all. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Next 3 products I got are all lip balms. I have the Balm.com Universal Skin Salves. I have Birthday Rose and Cherry. Birthday has this lovely glimmer and glitter to the lips when you add it, and it looks beautiful in the sunshine. Rose has this barely there pink tint to it, perfect for every day, while Cherry has a red tint, and it's actually really nice to add as a finishing touch to a really simple makeup look for an everyday nice soft look. Now I give these a 10 out of 10. They're really moisturizing, really nice, and of course look really good on the lips. I give them a 10 out of 10, but my personal favorite is actually Rose. I did end up getting the Glossier You perfume as a sample. I am a bit disappointed that they gave you just this tiny little peel-off sample. I wish they gave like a little actual mini bottle to use that at least you can use for like a week or so. But right off the bat, I do love this scent. It kind of reminds me of a Chanel No. 5, if I may even compare the two. But I do love this, and I definitely am interested in purchasing this full product, so I give this honestly a 9 out of 10. So yeah guys, this is what the makeup look turned out like. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope it informed you and made you learn something if you are interested or looking into Glossier products. Leave a comment down below what Glossier product you are interested in trying, or if you already do have Glossier products, tell me which one is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!